Okay, so scoring. Um, I I have a command pattern built specifically for keeping track of score. So every frame it tallies up all the score collected in that frame and then adds it to the player score, as I can show you. Um, Here in the sound manager, I keep track of all of the score data. Fleas are worth 200, scorpions are worth 1,000, centipede heads are 100, bodies 10, mushroom 1, restoring a mushroom costs 5, hitting a spider from afar 300, medium distance 600, and near is 900. And yeah, they're all stored in here for like a frame before all getting collected into the player score. Basically, they get inserted here. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong thing. They get at the beginning of the initialization, they all get assigned their score sort of like thing, object. And then they get sent to here where they get pushed into the QCMDs, and then at the end they get added to the current player score. They all get processed in here too. So you got score by distance. I I'll be honest, I didn't implement this very well. It's probably a better way to do this, but yeah, ugly. But yeah, it is what it is. Normal score. You got the execute, which pretty much just adds the points. So, that's cool. Next is wave control. Now I'm proud of this. I'm glad I got this done. Of course, looking at I don't know what to look at first. Well, I guess first you could look at the structure I made. Not really well ordered. I tried like optimizing it by having like all the bulls put in here, and it optimizes it by like 4 bytes. So it's one bit of optimization in this sloppy mess. Um, yeah, this is my text file. This is where I store all the data for each wave. So you got wave one. It's moving at um, it's got 12 body parts. The main centipede. Its main centipede's going at a speed of 6 pixels per frame. Um, there's no head spawning yet. You got the flea spawning. Oh, let me just read this out because I'm kind of supposed to. Got the length and speed for the main centipede. For the solo head, I've just got the count and speed. I didn't think I needed a on-off switch or anything like that. For now, well, there's a bit that I did skip and didn't end up doing, but it is what it is. Flea spawner on, speed, mushroom threshold, mushroom spawn probability, spider spawner, spider speed, spider timer, scorpion spawner, scorpion speed, and scorpion timer, all for each wave. So, how does this get processed? Of course, in the wave manager, of course. Um, yeah. So this is kind of manually put in, but you know, the, just this part, nothing else. Um, so at the beginning, I load all the data. So I take the file and I go through each, and I go through each of them. I push them into a waves list. And then when I need to process a wave, I just take one of the waves that I have stored, and then I just activate everything. This is how everything runs by this function. The centipede spawned here, yeah. Spawners are all activated. It's wonderful. Then it's, yeah. I'm proud of that. I'm glad it works really well. It's a really well made system, I think. And it's loaded once, only once, because it's stored into a static list. I mean vector, my bad. And yeah, of course, oh yeah, they use all the like function calls here are all related to this stuff. Like that's centipede main speed, length, got the head count, all that jazz. I should actually just straight up show you how this works. So, when a wave is processed, it'll do it right away. So, it'll load up the first wave for the AI control. So, we've got the wave data here. Wait, no, wave text 12608. See what it reads off. So, see what it reads off. Current wave 1, length 12, speed 6, count, head count 0, head count speed. This is 8. Yeah, it's keeping all the data and it's going right into here. See how it works? And then, well, it's already gone through the whole thing, but it's still in the first wave though, because it keeps dying in there. So, yeah, you see this spawning a whole 12 body centipede. How do you like that? Scoring system HUD displays the correct information based on one of 3 modes. High score lists 8. Yeah, the high scores. Let me show you. As per requested, they're not on a file. They're right here in a list in my sound manager. They're initialized right here. I have this easy one just for testing. When you run, they're up there, fully on full display. Plus the highest high score is up there in the top middle. I should say, another cool thing is that when in both single player and 2-player mode, when they like both their games end, their scores are like stay up here until like the next game is ran. Like, say, let me just quickly go through this. See how they stay on there? That's cool. Yeah. So you still remember what happened the last game, of course. Which is the thing that happens in the game too. So accuracy and stuff, that's fun. All right, showed you the whole labeling thing with the high scores stuff. We're not doing color change. All right, hold on.